This Catalyst project builds an intelligent fault management solution and pioneers the exploration of end-to-end automation of fault agents. China Mobile Guangdong has deployed more than 260,000 devices on its mobile transport network, carrying 500,000 base stations, manages the largest mobile transport network in China. China Mobile Guangdong is responsible for heavy operation and maintenance tasks. About 30,000 tickets are generated on the network every month, making it difficult to locate faults. On average, experts need to complete diagnostics in hours through more than 20 clicks on selling guides. The second pain point is intermittent disconnection due to mass faults. There are many potential faults, and it is difficult to eliminate potential faults. The third pain point is that FMES interact with logs frequently, which takes a long time to obtain information and is inefficient. To address these problems, this catalyst against dark factories and uses a three-layer architecture to implement automation and collaborative operations. The first layer is the intelligent network element layer. The second layer is the intelligent platform layer based on multi-domain OMC agents, providing COT technology. And the third layer is OSS layer, which interfaces with the agent to achieve cross-domain E2E for process automation. This Catalyst project is expected to achieve a significant increase in the automation rate of IP barrier network fault handling by 2025. Thank you.